What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Now it's time for some performance upgrades, and I'm not really sure in what order we're gonna do them, so let's just jack up the car and get started, and let's see what we take on first. So the engine mount distance was no biggie, so let's continue with the steering rack bracket. And here is what you need. You need 13mm wrenches, you need a 8.5mm drill, and you need a 17mm socket for this kit from Speed Parts for this special nut. So what you're going to do, we need to remove these two 30mm bolts, one up top and one down under. Then remove this whole rubber bushing. And then you need to remove this plastic clip that's up here and drill that hole to 8.5mm, and then mount the bracket, and don't tighten any bolts, just thread them in a couple of threads so it just holds it in place. Then you will start to tighten it at the bracket and then up here. So let's go. It's on, sits super tight, looking really nice. I think this will make a huge difference in the handling. Too bad it's just so tight everywhere. So that's it for the chassis upgrades for this time. Now we're moving on to... So I have started to put out the headlights and the turning signals. So now we're just gonna disassemble and remove everything that's going to be exchanged. The airbox, these holes right here, the pressure pipe, the intercooler. So to get the intercooler off, you obviously have to remove the front bumper. So that's what we're going to do next. I didn't want to bore you too much with all the details around the disassembling, but the airbox is out of the way, and from the airbox it goes down to another box that sits here. That's also gone, and the piping that goes here to the pressure pipe and the blow off valve is gone. So we're going to be polishing this heat shield that's here and also this pipe, and then we're gonna start to install all the parts. But I think this will wrap up today's work, and we will continue with day 2 tomorrow. Then we're going to be installing all the parts, the intercooler, the pressure pipe and all the parts from the 88, and we're also going to mount the 2.5-inch catback exhaust. So stay tuned to the channel. That's something I would have done in this case, and I will see you very soon again. Bye!